Welcome to the video course on value investing.
How to get most out of this course.
This course assumes no or minimal knowledge about value investing. It's suitable for beginners and students who want to learn about stock markets and how to invest using principles of value investing. We would recommend if you could take notes while listening to the videos for best understanding.
What will I learn in this course?
In this course, you will learn basics and rules of value investing, how to find mispriced stocks, how to estimate intrinsic value of a stock, when to buy and sell stocks and minimize downside risk. What's the secret sauce of value investing?
How is this course different from others?
This course is very easy to understand. It comprises of many lessons with short videos. The mode of narration is very interesting, and includes conversation between two characters throughout the course. The best thing about this course is that it's brief, and to the point, and hence does not take much of your time.
How this video course is structured.
This video course is divided into various sections starting with Introduction, Value Investing Basics, Rules of Value Investing, Reasons for Mispricing of Stocks, Value Traps and how to identify mispricing, Valuation Methodologies for Intrinsic Value Estimation, How to read financial statements, Key Ratios for Banking Industry, The Smart Investing Framework for Stock Analysis, Tools for Stock Selection, When to buy and when to sell stocks, How to reduce downside risk of your portfolio, and last, the secret sauce to become successful as a value investor.
Who is the creator of the course and what has he done before?
This course is designed by the founder. He brings 14 plus years of experience as an investor in Indian stock markets. He has worked as a full-time derivatives trader during the great financial crisis of 2008. He made a return of 14% plus CAGR in equity markets after experiencing both bull and bear markets. He has an IIM alumnus and has past experience in investment banks such as Credit Suisse and Bank of New York Mellon. He is a big follower of Warren Buffett and a SEBI-registered research analyst.
What will be the style of presentation?
This video course will be based on conversation between two characters. Curious L, who will play your role and ask a lot of questions. Expert Mike, who will answer all the questions and will share his knowledge.
So what are you waiting for? Let's begin with this video course.